Hello everyone, my name is Jie. I'm the product manager for the Sony Cinema Line. And welcome to our booth. Today I would like to introduce the new firmware update on the FX6. Within this firmware update, we provide the autofocus on the camera even though in the slow and quick mode. That provides the creator more flexibility and creativity in the production process. In the same time, we streamline the file name structure, which is the same as the FX6, FX3, and same as our Venus system, which will provide you a seamless workflow. Also, the FX6 starting to supporting the anamorphic discrete. It has 1.3 and 2.0 anamorphic discretes built in this camera, which allowed the user to preview anamorphic discrete result on the small LCD or by HDMI to external monitor. And I hope everybody enjoyed the show. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
What other updates were on this besides the discrete?
Discrete, slow and quick, autofocus, new file structure name.
And what does that mean? What's the big deal about the new file structure?
Basically, the file name will be exactly the same as on the Venus, on the FX3, on the FX9.
Oh, so all the cameras have the file name, so when you're doing the editing, you can see. So that's new with that.
That's new on this camera. It's not only about editing. Sometimes when you take a multi-camera shot and we will try to match the names, actually you can name as a camera number A, say number 2, position number 3.
And when is this update coming out?
The update already announced today, and the firmware update, firmware online date is not 100% confirmed yet.
Cool. Well, I am a Sony user, and Jie we met at NAB, and he's an expert from the Venus, all the FX lines, and if you ever see him and you want the most information, see him in the booth. Thank you very much, Jie.
And as you can see, actually we have 2 stories here. Number 1, we have one of the sport car here. What it does is actually the Sony Pictures have a new movie they're going to release on August 11th. It's based on the Sony very popular game, Gran Turismo. We developed that game into a brand new movie. All the movie is shooting on the Venus system. And you can see we have a multiple camera attached to the car, provide a very, very good visual effect during the show. And please go to the movie theater on August 11th. At the same time, I also wanted to show everybody this system. It is the world only full-frame interchangeable lens PTZ camera. It's called FR7. And here, on the single controller, you can control up to 100 cameras. Each camera has 100 positions. It's a great application for concert, for house of beliefs, and even for cinematic productions. We have different options of control. And for example, we have the IP500, that traditional joystick method, and also we have our partner Nodal Wheel that produce interior wheels max that can control the cameras very, very smoothly. At the same time, we have our another business partner called Moses, which is building the motorized wheel system. Actually, you can control the motion of the camera on the reel.
A few moments later.
Okay, thank you very much. I hope everybody enjoyed the show. Please stop by the Sony and have a look at us.
Jie, are these things available now?
Yes, actually all of these products is available in the market now and you can purchase from anywhere.
Cool beans. Thank you, Jie. And this is Jie and Walter at the Sony booth at Cine Gear Expo, LA. Thank you.